Hello everyone, this is Zach from HIBISCUS. So this short and quick video here, I would like to share with you HIBISCUS that currently it do show a nice green pentagon, right? Volume is increasing. Of course now it's around like 3 p.m., but hopefully we'll see more volume pick up very soon. So increasing volume towards the resistance, and of course when it comes with LC most of the time, this is representing a signal called pocket pivot, and of course we prefer the volume to be higher. All right, so let's see towards the end of the day, but definitely right now the background including the market stage is actually showing a very nice type of setups, okay, to look for, right? So of course, few things that I kind of liked what happened to hibiscus today is that first of all, it actually come in these small little gaps over here. So as always, for those that who are following us, okay, gap is always representing there is a support resistance area around the particular areas over there, right? So if you look into the overall background over here, it actually come from a big wash, okay. So this is where that we don't participate due to the market stages is bearish, and come with lots of sellings and some weaknesses, okay. So once it change over here after the green pentagon, this is the area that we want to look for. Of course, pullbacks nice to happens around this area where the market stages actually is trading above the positive area but below the green line, okay. So this is the area that we want to look for a nice low risk entry. Okay, the other things that to take note is that of course the red pentagon just happened 2 days ago, but against, if let's say red pentagons happens but the market stages it didn't turns to negative, so which mean this is just a pullback. Okay, most of the time this is just a pullback. So let's say red pentagon, but later on the market stages turns to red, that a big sell might be coming in very very soon, right? So this is how you want to use it. So of course today it actually changed back to green pentagon, which is nice, and probably I would like to share with you some of the traits that it's not very similar, but they're actually having this kind of gaps in the background. So first of all, this is coastal contract. Okay, so like here, red pentagons, and then market stages showing red, reverse, green pentagons, NS gap. Okay, so this is a gaps that I think very nice overall. Okay, and of course they actually test a few days before they make a big movement. Okay, currently doing a little bit of pullbacks over there. So the other one is that booming armada. Okay, notice here we got a gaps over here after it actually turns to green pentagon. Market stages turn as well later on after the green pentagons. A spring, gap, and subsequently now hitting the resistance. Okay, so hibiscus as well, they're actually trading very close to resistance right now, but due to the volume, I think a very good chance for them to make a follow through. Okay, again, I'm not doing any buy call, sell call over here, but before I enter, make sure uh, you got your own trading plan. Okay, understand your trading plan before you think it's worth to enter or stay away. Okay, now again, for a few things that especially for our members use the trade versus 360 over here, to look for the potential support resistance. Of course, right now price is actually at resistance ready, so I think the risk reward is not that great anymore, right? So this is the ideal supports that we're looking to. Do remember, support resistance won't change every day, okay, unless the trend of the stock change, okay, or they are making a major movements, okay, they will change it, okay. So if let's say for example now, because the price actually is at resistance right now, this is 90 cents, this is 96 cents over here. So actually today already crossed the R1, okay, today actually crossed the R1 already, and now I think heading to R2 at 96. Okay, so if you think that this is not a very nice risk to rewards, okay, a few things you can do, right? See whether got pullbacks or not after today. Who know? Okay, you make a UTs, right? And the other one is that maybe after it breaks out already, you aim for the next support level. Okay, like I said, this trade versus 360 it will change. Okay, once the overall trend change for the particular chart. So once it break resistance, which means they will need to find a new support areas. Okay, so we look for the new support areas to look for the low risk entry. Okay, another thing is that you want to look into is the market stages. Okay, so let's say it's above positive below green, okay, maybe you want to look into it. All right, so of course now actually hitting the yellow color line. Okay, yellow color line is actually asked you to be cautious. Okay, still got rooms to go. Okay, unlike here hitting the red line, probably you want to be careful of profit takings, pullback distribution. Okay, again we want to check the sound weakness again, right? So here I think still got rooms to go. Okay, but you don't want to be too greedy. Okay, for those that who are looking for short terms, you can probably check out the hourly chart. Okay, so but there's different topic later on. Okay, so overall, I think you do probably have a very good chance. Okay, so let's see uh, what happened next. Okay, hopefully it will build a new nice support later on. Okay, around the particular green pangolins area. All right. So with this, thank you for watching this video, and just comment below. Okay, is there any things that you want me to cover next? Okay, on this kind of daily videos over here.